Pyllola.com connects international travelers in Italy with local, English-speaking doctors for seamless online healthcare. In this video, we explain how to use our prescription refill request. This service is perfect if you need a refill medication for chronic conditions, high blood pressure, diabetes, thyroid, etc., or need treatment for a familiar diagnosis like a UTI or back pain. Important: this service is for known conditions only. If you're experiencing new symptoms or need a diagnosis, please select our medical visit option to speak with a doctor face-to-face via video. Once you open the refill request form, simply start with your personal details: your name, email, date of birth, nationality, and gender. Next, use the drop-down menu to select your medical condition and the specific medicine and dosage you need. Crucial step: if you have any allergies, check the box and explain them in the comments so we can keep you safe. Finally, confirm that you have used this medication before and that your data is accurate. Once you complete the payment, your request is sent directly to one of our doctors for review. If you aren't sure if your medication is eligible, please check our post, YouTube video, or message us via the contact form before you pay. For any new symptoms or other medical concerns, please switch to the medical visit option to speak with a doctor live. Finally, a quick note on timing: any requests sent after 10:30 p.m. will be processed first thing the following morning. Thank you for watching and have a great stay. Pyllola, where medical care meets travel.